Looking for a quick and easy way to earn money? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'm going to reveal the secret to making instant cash by testing apps. Imagine getting paid simply for playing with the latest mobile applications and providing your valuable feedback. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to make some extra income, this opportunity is perfect for you. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your passion for apps into a lucrative side hustle. Join the thousands of people who are already profiting from app testing and start earning money instantly today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Say goodbye to tedious surveys and mindless data entry. With usertesting.com, you can earn cash instantly by simply testing out new apps on your smartphone. Imagine having the power to turn your spare time into extra income. Whether you're a student looking for some pocket money or someone who wants to supplement their monthly earnings, User Testing platform is your key to financial freedom. Boost your monthly income in your free time. Try the ultimate side hustle. It's easy, fast, and simple. Share your perspective on products and experiences and make money online from the comfort of your home. Get paid for your perspectives. Best-in-class companies rely on user testing to gain valuable insights into their products from people like you. New test opportunities are posted every day from companies around the world. A user testing contributor, sometimes referred to as a website tester, completes tasks on a website, app, or prototype and speaks their thoughts out loud. There are two types of tests you can take as a contributor. One is called Live Conversation, a live interview with one of User Testing's customers. You'll meet with a customer via video conference, and they'll ask you what you think about products or experiences in a casual conversation. The other is a recorded, self-guided test that you take in your own time, by yourself, on your mobile or desktop devices. As long as you're at least 18 years old, you don't need any special experience to get paid to test. User Testing customers want to gather your unique perspective. No prior experience required. Applying is easy. First, confirm your device meets User Testing's system requirements. Then, if you're applying via desktop, visit the sign-up page and submit your email address to apply. You can also apply via mobile. Just download the User Testing app from the App Store or Google Play. Then follow the prompts to submit your email address to apply. Once you submit your personal information, you'll see an applicant checklist. From here, you can begin to take your practice test. Practice tests take around 7 to 10 minutes to complete. Be sure to give the recorder access to your screen and microphone before you begin your test, so we can capture your feedback. A pre-test tutorial will show you how to navigate through your test. The entire application process, which includes taking a practice test, takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you apply, you'll hear back from them within a few days. If you're accepted, you can start taking paid tests right away. While the number of tests available to contributors is dependent upon our customers' needs and the contributor profile, getting high ratings on tests can increase the number of test invites. Customers can review your feedback to make sure contributors are who they say they are and effectively communicate their feedback. It is important to take your time to complete every test properly. Contributors with high ratings receive more test invites so that they can ensure that our customers receive quality feedback. Amounts range depending on the test type. Your dashboard will always show you the amount you'll get paid for each test. All contributors receive payments in us through PayPal. You must have a confirmed PayPal account that's in good standing to receive payments. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Start earning money instantly by becoming an app tester today. At the conclusion of this remarkable video, if you have found it to be both enjoyable and informative, I kindly request that you express your appreciation by granting it a resounding thumbs up. Additionally, I encourage you to engage in the comments section below with your thoughts and opinions, as your input is highly valued. It would be immensely gratifying if you could also share this video with others who may find it valuable. Your support plays a pivotal role in our continued efforts to create more enriching content like this. Lastly, do not overlook the importance of subscribing to our channel and activating the notification bell so that you never miss out on future videos of similar caliber.